Nothing to be afraid of. Just drop into my left hand. A little bit tight because of that fusion there, but we're going to just go gently. Drop into my right hand. That was a bit better. Did that feel like the right thing?
Yes.
Did, eh? You still
It's
got
good
a pulse.
relief.
You got some relief already. Let your knee go up a little bit further, and then just roll towards me. Wasn't that bad, was it?
Your teeth together for me and let all your out and relax. Oh
Oh, oh, mother of God. Oh, oh,
So you
dude.
should have felt that all the way
Oh,
down.
dude.
Palmer diversified cervical rotary brake. Drop this in my hand. There you go. Drop, tilt right. Oh yeah. Crack addicts are gonna love you.
Vai estirando normal, vai relaxando seu ombro. Ótimo. Muito bom.
Tá melhor, eu acho.
Exatamente. Puxa bem soltinho. Bem tranquilo. Vai estirando normal, relaxa o ombro. Ótimo. Muito bom. Good. Nice.
Good. Okay. 7. Be alright. There you go. See, 7. Walk across it. Right? It's gone up and out. I'm bringing it down and in. Okay?
Okay.
Oh! Here's a piece.
Nice deep breath through your nose. There we go.
Oh, wow.
Yep. How far down did you feel, Daniel?
Here.
Okay, good.
That's good?
Yep. Forward like this. See, that's gonna pull the stomach up through there and make it worse. Yeah, just breathe. There we go. Okay, I got you. That's it. Perfect.
Good. Good. Okay, slow down here. Nice and easy. Good. Perfect. Good. If Mom and Bro can handle it, I think you can handle it. ASIN, nice and easy there. There you go, home run.
Relax right here for me. Good. Relax here. Excellent. All right, we're gonna get some mobility right in here, okay? Relax for me. Very good. All right, had you ever had that before?
No, sir.
All right, how'd that feel?
Good.
Very good. Excellent. All right.
Now see, I love this. This is my favorite adjustment right here.
Okay, you two, all you crack addicts out there, here's Dr. Johnson's turn. All right, Doc, breathe. Do that again for me. Very good. All right, got a pretty good separation. How far did I get?
Another way.
All right, good.
Oh yeah.
Okay.
Oh, that's my favorite.
Still bumping? Still
Oh yeah.
bumping.
Yeah.
All right, try to relax. Gonna get his facet joints here. Already moved. Wonderful. Another one this way. Very good. All right, easy peasy.
Yep.
Your fingers right there, good. We'll take our time. Good. Whoa!
Oh, yeah.
Jeez!
I wish I could have done that.
Jeez.
Oh, man.
That was a big move. Good. 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 I'm just feeling where it's going to end, right about there. That's not so bad, right? Good. A little more.
Ow.
There you go. Home run. T6, we're going to set it as a PRIT. Let's do a transverse contact first. There you go. And a little tiny bit more. This one's easy. Hard part's over. That's it. Shoulders down, shoulders down, down.
Oh my god. Oh.
Gotcha. Now, I'm gonna get, my contact is gonna be here. It's tender. I'm gonna roll you. Look, my knee is here. You're not going anywhere. Okay? Relaxed. Happy place, please. Happy place. Gotcha.
Wow, you're so mean.
Stand up for me, please. Squeeze my hands. Squeeze hard. Squeeze hard. Let's check. Let's set the elbow. Posterior distal radius. Posterior radius. There. Posterior distal. Squeeze now.
Fuck you.
Whoa. You hear that?
That's a good response.
Yeah.
Okay, we're gonna, so right here at L5, that's where we're going to do the adjustment. So big deep breath in and out.
Whoa. That's crazy. Weird.
Good response.
Yeah.
That was a good one. And what I want is your hands on top of mine up here. Right, all the way up. Yeah, and then interlock your fingers right on top of mine and squeeze down. A little harder. And breathe in deep. And fall back. Look up.
Wait, look up.
You did perfect.
Oh, I did?
No, I've never done this one before. All the way over.
Whoa.
Let your head relax all the way over right there.
Whoa.
Big smile.
C7. PLS.
Oh.
There you go.
Oh.
Right there. And we want to set it as a PL, being mindful not to disrupt the pelvis. She's more flexible. There it is. So we just want to come right through at the sacrum, right? Home run, right there. What up, baby? Talus, medial tilt. There you go. Next we're going to do the inferior navicular. Okay. Next thing we're going to do, superior first cuneiform, superior middle or first cuneiform. There, got it. It's moving. It's moving better. Nice. And just playing around.
Oh, we were playing.
Yeah. C6. Look up. Perfect. Just a baby one. ASEX full move. There you go. Let's get up on the shoulder a little bit. Getting all sweaty on me early today. ASEX. There. Gotcha.
倒れてきてください。で、こうダーンとしていただいて。大丈夫ですか？はい。で、力抜いていただいて、はい、ダラーンとしてください。で、ぐーっと。はい、力抜いてくださいね。
そうです。力入ってますよ。そう。はい、いいですね。はい、じゃあ手頭の後ろで組んで、力全部抜いてますよ。そうです。はい、手離して。下向いててくださいね。頭へぐーっと前。
Okay. There you go. You should have felt that all the way down. Did you?
Yes.
Okay, now let's watch your reflexes now. Look at the difference. You feel
That's
that?
crazy.
Yeah. Okay, let me have your neck. Perfect. There we go. Good. See, those were probably a little sore, weren't they?
Yeah.
Yep, there we go. Oh yeah, Crack Addict's gonna love you. There we go. Okay, here we go. Okay.
Just relax. Good. Okay. Relax your shoulders. Good. Nice.
We adjusted her last night on this side, so we're gonna go here. Good. And then here. That left shoulder drop for me, Julian. Oh yeah, that moved really good. Just head fall forward. Heather, come around this side so you can see. Let your shoulders relax for me. Good, there you go. All right.
Are you ready, Missy?
Yep. Oh my God.
Nice. And there goes the red ear. Famous red ear. One more. There's another. That was awesome.
There we go. There it is.
Deep breath for me. And relax. Beautiful. Oh. All right. Nice. Nice. One more deep breath. Oh yeah. Whew. Nice.
Right inside here, come a little closer. And relax there. A little bit more. Yeah. Okay, let's come right on the other side, please. Okay, we're gonna do one more adjustment. We're gonna get that lower cervical spine and just relax those muscles. Really gonna open up the joints a bit. That's it. Let it go. A little bit more. Yeah, right there. Good. Excellent.
Tindakan preventif agar tidak lepas. Lemas? Tak apa-apa. Monci, ini berikan ke sini. Enggak? Lemas? Coba bangun.
All the way out. Good. Nice. One more. It's actually tight in here. All the way out. Ooh. Take a big smile.
I love it.
Deep breath for me again. And relax. Good. Perfect. That was awesome.
I'm gonna lean right over. And all you're gonna do is you're gonna lay on my hand, kind of like it's a pillow, and we get that adjustment. So that's perfect. And then you'll see the increased range of motion on that side. We're gonna lean right on that particular joint and relax this to your hand, and that releases just like that. So.
It sounded good. That was good.
Chiropractor, her and Jeremy's chiropractor up in Washington State, Dr. Dam. There we go. Boy, that was a full tilt, Diva. Yeah. You're still attached. Whew. Boy, that was much more solid than this morning's even.
Yes. Deep breath. All the way. Oh, sorry. Man, that was tight. You okay?
Yeah.
Yeah, I see what you mean. Go face up for me.
Nice. And there goes the red ears. I see it on video all the time.
Whoa, that moved good. You feel all those moving in your lower
yeah.
thoracics there? Excellent. Yes, sir. Crack addict's gonna love you too. There you go. Good. It's nice being a crack addict that other crack addicts love.
Oh yeah.
There you go. Now, I don't have to ask if you felt that all the way down.
Wow.
Yeah.
I did.
That's a wow adjustment. You got great reflexes. Okay. Good old Palmer diversified rotary brake. Yes, sir. Good job. Now, you've been adjusted by other chiropractors before,
Not
right?
like that.
Yep.
Yeah, I have, yeah.
Did he even ever do this thorough exam on you as I did?
Not at all, no. And
Respira bem fundo pra mim. Deixa eu acertar um pouco. Ótimo. Muito bom. Pode deitar de barriga pra baixo. Bem quentinho, bem relaxado. Quando eu ver que você relaxou, eu vou ajustar, tá bom? Vai respirando normalmente, tá? Ótimo. Bem tranquilo. Bem suave. Isso, muito bem. Tranquilo, né? Só assusta um pouquinho, né? Relaxa bem. Segura a sua tá? Segura, deixa eu ver. Ótimo.
Good. We're going to try adjusting through here. Relax here for me. Very good. Okay. Good movement. Is that something that you're familiar with?
Mm-hmm.
All right. Okay. Relax right here for me. Very good. Okay. Let me have you lay right here, face down, right on the table. Take a deep breath. Completely exhale. Very good. Lay facing the opposite way for me. Same thing here. Top leg bent, bottom leg straight. Good. Right there. Take a deep breath. Completely exhale. Very good. Lay face up for me.
From the medical profession, which doesn't understand. There you go. Boy. First time ring dinger of the year. There we go. You felt that all the way down, didn't you?
Oh, yeah.
Okay. Now that you catch your breath, I'm going to do the Palmer diversified rotary brake. Perfect. Yes, ma'am.
Oh, my God.
Crack addicts gonna love you. And I'm going to get that thoracolumbar right there. Yes, ma'am. Boy, they probably heard that in Midtown. Atta girl. Okay.
Okay. All right, so we're going to come right over here and just let everything relax there for me. Good. Atta girl. Wow, she's like that.
Some posture work as well, and so that'll give her longer lasting relief and set her up to be successful in the future here. Perfect. Awesome.
You can tell Renee and I are married, huh? There we go. There we go. Now see, that's as hard as I can pull on him, and he is still kicking, by the way. Okay. Yep. There we go. Boy, that was a beautiful Palmer diversified rotary brake on both sides. Okay, keep your teeth together and just breathe. No, you don't need to clench them, just together. Okay, just breathe normal. There you go.
Oh, jeez.
You should have felt that all the way
Oh,
down.
the freaky way down.
Yep. That's why we call it ring dinger. See, you're still kicking, you're good.
Oh, my goodness.
Mm-hmm. Well, you put that very nicely compared to a lot of people that do it for the first time. There you go. Good job. Okay, just breathe normal for me now, Lorenzo. That's it. Oh, yeah. Boy. He has been needing to be adjusted like this his entire life.
Doc, and we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna just stretch the neck. We're gonna stretch the neck, good. Up and just loosey goose. All the way, breathe out, let it go. Good, more. Ah, wonderful. That was something, relax, let it go. Good. And let it fall all the way. Good. Have you ever felt something like that before?
Oh, that's euphoria.
Okay, breathe through your nose. Oh, yeah. Yes, sir.
Oh.
It's a home run.
Oh. Wow.
Now, he does have reflexes. Okay, Patrick, drop your head in my hands like you're sleeping. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Good old Palmer diversified rotary brake there.
So, elbows in, head down, roll back to me. Good, open up. We gotta get you some new shoes.
No.
There you go, awesome. All right.
Pode respirar bem fundo. Solta o ar. Vai soltando, solta, solta. Ótimo, muito bom. Excelente. Por lado. Respirou? Solta o ar, vai soltando, solta. Ótimo, muito bom. Excelente. Vai subir aqui, solta. Tranquilo? Uhum.
Just breathe normal for me. There we go. Yes, ma'am.
My
Go ahead,
God.
slide down that way a little bit.
Oh,
I almost pulled you off the table. Did you feel that all the way
almost
down?
lost my lashes. Oh,
Did you feel
Lord.
that all the way down?
I did.
Good.
I can't breathe. It feels so good.
Okay. There we go. Drop it right in my hand. Perfect. It's a Palmer diversified rotary brake on Brooke Adams' neck.
Wow.
Let your head fall forward into my hand. Let your shoulders drop, let everything loose for me.
Oh my God. Oh, yeah.
How was that?
It was crazy.
Well, keep your teeth together. Oh yeah, home run. That's why we call it ring dinger. And you're still kicking ahead.
Wow.
Yeah, that's a shock and all wow adjustment. Good job. You handled that a lot better than a lot of people though. I know I'll be hearing all kinds of ways to fix it. There we go. Good. Alright. I think some of y'all just come on here, watch us do the ring dinger to make sure somebody doesn't ever not come off the table. That has never happened, and pray to God that never will happen.
Good, just like that. Good. Good. Yeah.
That was even bigger.
That was even bigger.
Did you feel this improvement when you would go to do physical therapy exercises?
I did not.
No? Okay. Relax right here for me. Very good. Okay. You can relax there for me. Relax right here for me. Very good. Okay. Take a deep breath. Completely exhale. Good. Very good. Let me have you lay on your side facing this way for me. Take a deep breath for me. Completely exhale.
Very good. Let's have you lay facing the opposite way. There. Take a deep breath. Completely exhale. Very good. Lay face up there for me. Excellent. Good. Excellent. Feel some movement in there?
This area, that's where they'll point to, and that's where she's having trouble. So breathe out. There, starts to go already. How's that leg? Is that hurting?
Yeah, it's fine.
Okay, good. And there it goes. Good job, Melissa. All right.
Ah. Ah. Wow. Ow! Wow, wow, wow. Oh my God, that hurts.
Ooh.
Wow.
Adjustment out of here. Kind of stuck up here. Yeah. In here. Good. Let your arms hang on the floor. Take a breath in and out. Lift your head for me. There you go.
All right. Keep that in. Yeah. I'm just going to do this. Okay. Look up. Okay, deep breath. Turn over. That was a good one.
Yeah. Okay, keep your teeth together for me. And nice deep breath. Girl. And just breathe normal for me. I'll catch you. That's it. Perfect. Boy, that was perfect. Home run. That's why we call it ring dinger. And looky there, you're still kicking. Okay. This is their favorite, the Palmer Diversified Cervical Rotary Brake. Yep. Yours too, though, huh? Yep, just like that. All right, breathe out.
Ooh.
Ooh, what?
That felt awesome.
That felt awesome? Why are you giggling? What? What's so funny?
That sound was just awesome.
This side's really tight. You feel all that right there. Woo. You can feel the reverse curve in here. Man, it is spasming over here. This whole left side around C3, C4. I'm going to take my hand. I'm going to go right through it. I'm going to move it in the right direction. Wow. It's really tight. Whoa. That was awesome.
Okay. Keep your teeth together. Breathe through your nose. Just like that. Boy, oh boy. Yep. Okay, so I'm going to adjust your neck here now. There. There you go. Good.
Just relax. You're doing great. Good. Breathe out. So, Jonathan, come down here. I want to try to get reduce some of this face paper noise.
Oh, Lord.
Just relax.
Oh!
There you go. That was better.
Oh!
Good?
That was this side.
Yeah.
Man.
I'm going to bring it all the way over. Feel it just drop. Other side, please. Other side. There we go. this. Yeah, there you go, on your back. So it's not just athletes. It's, you know, we get CEOs that come in. We get caterers and chefs, people that use their body every day and they don't want to be tired, they don't want to be achy, they don't want to be sore, they want to feel better. Let your head roll back, let this relax.
Oh, yeah.
There you go, yeah. Good, and just right here. Just gonna stretch a little bit more. Just let it go, right there. There we go. Yeah. Excellent. Good. You're gonna do one more, okay? Just gonna bring it right over here. And this might be a little bit bigger. The side's a little bit tighter. Okay, I'm gonna stretch right at the side here. A little bit more. That's it. But just relax. There we go. There we go. Woo! There we go. Good. There you go. Good. There we go. Good. Now it hurt a little bit? A little bit, yeah. A little bit? Okay. Okay.
Keep your teeth together and just breathe through your nose. Oh yeah. That's why we call it ring dare. Felt that all the way down, didn't you? Mm-hmm. See, you're still kicking. You're good. There we go. That's it.
Yeah, dollars.
Want to acknowledge her chiropractor, her and Jeremy's chiropractor up in Washington State, Dr. Dam. There we go, boy. That was a full tilt, Diva. Yeah. You're still attached. Whew. Boy, that was much more solid than this morning's even. There we go. Mm-hmm. That's it. Mm-hmm. Boy, you're being more cooperative this afternoon.
Deep breath for me. All the way out. Good. Nice. Hold on. It's actually tight in here. This side up for me. We're going to move that a little different. Okay. So she's been watching the videos as well, and she's decided to come in.
Yeah.
And this is your first time ever getting adjusted, right?
Yes.
Nice. Bring this forward. Okay. Give yourself a big hug.
Okay.
Deep breath for me. All the way out. Good.
Oh,
I knew that.
that felt good.
I knew I was coming to face that way for me. Pretty flexible. Yeah, deep breath. All the way out. Good. Nice. Beautiful. Let's go face up for me.
Great.
Are you ready, Missy?
Yep. Oh my God.
Nice. And there goes the red ears. Famous red ears. One more. There's another. That was awesome.
Let your head go in my hand here now. There you go. Let me have you. There you go. I still got one here. I want you to tilt your right ear to your right shoulder. That's better. Okay.
Good. Ooh. How's that, fella?
That was a big
That's a biggie. Yeah. Good. Much better. There we have it. Good. Good, dude. I love it.
1, 2, 3.
Would be the low back lumbar adjustment. Here, go ahead, take a breath.
Okay, good. And lay on the other side. And usually, you know, just a, you know, easy applied force. Take a breath. There we go. Good. Lay on your back. Okay. So let your head relax and I'll move it for you. So there's a little bit of a fixation right here. So it's going to be real easy. Give you a little bit of a bend. Okay. And then just right there. Okay. Not anymore. Okay. There we go. Good. You feel that all the way down?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, you're still kicking your eye. All right. Got one more here. That's it. How's that? Yes, ma'am. Home run.
Deep breath for me. Relax. Nice. Other side. I had a patient come in the other day, and they're like, "Those are real noises." I'm like, "Yeah, I wasn't making them up." I don't know how to. Deep breath. All in.
Ooh,
Nice.
that was a good one.
Very good. Let's go face up for me. So here we go. All in. Good. There it is. Beautiful.
Right there, and then lean your upper body back right here. We're gonna get in here and do some get some movement in here. Relax here for me. Good. Okay. Upper right here. There you go. Perfect. Relax right here for me. Very good. Okay.
Like this, and I'm bringing it. So very specifically, if you can see the specificity of that, I'm right on that vertebrae, and listen, that just released. Perfect. Now go face down. Right down in the pelvis, in that area that doesn't want to go into extension. And you're going to relax your shoulder. Very good. Go face up.
Now just breathe through your nose easily. You don't need to take deep ones, and just relax your hands on your tummy. There you go.
Oh!
There we go. Keep breathing. There we go. Keep breathing. You're still kicking your eye. Now just relax your head in my hands here. There we go. That a girl. Good job.
Perfect. Here we go. Nice and relax. Very good. All right, let's go to the other side there. And just the top one in. We're going to cross just right here. Good. Okay, take a breath in and out. And nice and relax. Very good. Face up. Just let's lay back down on your back here. Tender right there. Okay, so I'm going to go real gentle on here, okay?
Okay.
Nice and relaxed. Good. How was that? Wasn't too
Yeah,
bad,
it
huh? You're anticipating it more. Okay, and then just nice and relaxed right here. Perfect. Nice and easy. Okay.
Let's just go right here. Good. Same thing here. Good.
I'm going to do this from the right, PRS. Trying to get right on that 7. Good. Look up. Home run. That was nice. One. And we're just going to set ASIN. That already started to go. Here's the rest. But most of that already went in that first little set.
A little bit.
Put this on your chin there. Okay, keep your teeth together. Take a deep breath in. Let all your air out. Oh yeah, home run. Everybody's better after the ring dinger. And there is the Palmer diversified rotary brake, left and right, which are even by the way. And we're working our way up into the thoracics. Okay, just breathe normal and exhale. There you go. Okay. I still got one right here. There. There it is. I knew it was in there. Do you feel that? Yep.
It's cool you get everything I'm doing too, right?
Yeah.
Oh, butter. T6, we're going to set it as a PRS. Means posterior right superior. T6, PRS. Home run. Lockout. So right about there. Nice. It locks out. Good. Look up.
We're gonna go right into that. Very good. Down at the bottom of her neck at C6, C7. Good. We're gonna go right into that joint and realign it. Great. Let's go on the other side. You can feel the lumbars here, slightly misaligned. I'm gonna go in, push right on the lumbar joint. Very good. And let's check our pelvis. All right, deep breath for me. All the way up. Good. Oh, one more. All the way. And this is her first adjustment. Nice. You did awesome. You okay?
Oh my god, it felt so good.
So one thing we want is definitely taking deep breaths. So we're going to see how you sleep tonight and how you do the next couple of days after this. Yeah. My goodness, girl, you are like a jelly bean. You're so relaxed. That's awesome. Look, I told you about your ears.
Yeah.
I always say that in the videos, but it's true. Oh.
That was like the pop of my dream.